This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4369 is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your theater seating across from the sofa and flat screen TV on a televator. Your sofa folds out into a bed. Moving on, make note of your kitchen with a sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a microwave, a small dishwasher, and a fridge. Across from this is your dinette seating, which converts into a bed as well. Moving into the back of the coach, you'll find your master bedroom with a king-size bed. Adjacent to this is your master bathroom with a washer and dryer. And a massive storage closet. In the hallway between the bedroom and living room, you have an additional half bath. Your coach is built on the Freightliner chassis. It has an 8.9-liter Cummins engine with 400 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. Outside, make note of your rear backup cameras and 5 other spotting cameras. By your entry door is an exterior flat-screen TV. And along the bottom, you have massive storage compartments. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.